What a beautiful sight we're seeing today. New M3Clay, okay? Sun, sun, sun. Sun, yan, yan, yan. Zane, put your feet up, put your feet up. New M3Clay, okay? Am I even recording? Yo, yo. Hello? Hello? What? Yasma, a Yasma. Like, you see things? I don't got a bike. So, if y'all can help me in the comments, you know, like, you see them? M3Clay with Zane and Kevin, they got bikes. And I got no bike, so I can't keep up with them. Come on, come on, it's gonna look like me. It's gonna look like you. I'm gonna, okay, yeah, if I was like 50 times older. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. You're right, you're right. So today, I'm M3Clay, and this is a day with the, Trons out. Where is Zane?
That's what I'm wondering. Yo, he's...
Text his ass. He's on Discord, text him. From like the yellow version, you know the yellow version?
Yeah.
How much that cost? Like 200?
No, it's like $30.
Oh, damn. Bro, a Baja Layers. Hello, I'm M3Clay. M3Clay is not that.
Look at your arms and look at M3Clay.
He's blacker than me. Wait, actually, no. I know. Oh, no.
That way, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. No, yeah, you're still wider than me. I mean,
I bet I'm wider than you.
no, I think I'm blacker than you. I think I'm blacker than you.
You're whiter.
Oh, no, hell no. Nah, Zing is the same skin color of you. Andrew?
No, not right now. Wait, let me ride your Yasma.
Let him ride your hand, I'm joking. Yo, imagine him on that.
Oh, that's it.
That's auto throw.
Yo, Han, can I sit on your bike? Okay. Alright.
He got the thrills, too.
Let me see it.
He got the thrills. These are like.
Dude, it's so thick. Holy sh. Yeah. How do you turn off auto throttle?
Yo, pull your bike next to his. Let me take a
Doesn't
picture.
have the microwave.
Yo, bro.
Wait, can I sit on it?
Nah. He said don't sit on it. Chill. He has his key in there. Be careful. If you do this, it's gonna go flying.
No, I just throttled it. Yo, he
Oh, then it's off then.
scraped. Look at this shit.
No way, he scraped.
He did, look.
Yo, oh yeah, he did scrape. I remember the video. Han, do you like the triple X or this?
Yeah.
Yo,
Damn.
it's like double my bike. Obviously, he likes that better. So ultra. Wait, how
Damn.
fast does ultra go?
Yes, 70. He told me 70.
70 on one side.
Park your bike.
What a beautiful sight we're seeing today. So, welcome back to e-bike patrol. We got a Yasma. What is that? What is that e-bike?
It's 2020.
A Yasma and a Thuron Ultra B 2025.
2024.
Can hear is this one. Toughest bike, bro.
I was doing one hand the other day and I crashed.
Yo, holy, look at that chain, bro. So thick. Bro, everything on the Ultra B is thick except for the tires, bro.
The tires are good.
The tires are so skinny.
The tires are like all the way up to here to my
Bro, they're so skinny.
My tires,
Are too thick. Look at these thick boys, bro.
oh shit, that looks like Ultra Rider. Like the crash.
Wait, let me see how.
Bro.
How did you fall?
I was doing one hand and my finger slipped off.
Ah, I know.
What's up, bro?
Damn, bro. Oh, shit.
Everybody know. Yo, you know who he is? I don't know him. He's M3 free.
The other kid bike or your bike?
It's my bike.
Did you buy it off him?
Ah.
I thought it was 900.
Oh, Suka. Yeah, I thought you said
Sitting on his tire.
because it's comfy.
That means it's flat.
Holy fake Yasma.
Why? You wanna buy my bike?
No, that's a fake Yasma. It's fake Yasma.
You wanna buy my bike?
What the? Dude, one bump and you're flying. One bump and all you're gonna hear is this. I swear that looks like a fake Yasma, bro. It looks so fake.
I was asking him, it looked like a seat motor.
Baba fake off-brand shit.
That was-
Like, you see things? Oh! Damn.
Yeah.
Damn. Zangatron. Yo, your fender just broke. Yo.
I don't care.
Zane, you good, bro? I thought it was gonna fall on top of you.
Yeah, they're green.
Are the brakes good? Try them. Wait, your fucking display. Oh, okay. Thank God, that's
I
good.
was holding you.
That's good. That's good. That's good. Han, what's your worst fear if you're getting chased by a cop? If I was you, my biggest fear would be the chain popping out. Suka. No brakes. Oh.
I can let me burn this thing. It's good. No.
No, I'm sitting on your fender. Don't worry.
Wait, is that?
Yo! Your whole boat just chipped off. All right, see you, Han. What the fuck?
Yo, really?
Willie! Please, Willie. Ah! Oh my God! Oh my God! He just swerved the car. See, he just swerved the car. He didn't just swerve the car. Oh, I got you. I got you. There, go. It's good. It's good now. Wait. Let me see. A little more to the side. Wait, a little more this way. It's good. It's good. It's good. There you go. Yeah, this is Dad, bro.
He's not bad. He's a good person.
You know who he is? No, he's M3 gay.
I think I should do Willie in the road.
Oh, Maybach! One new M3Clay, okay?
M3 Clay is black.
Do Willie! What a wheelie! You saw Zank? He did a straight wheelie all the way to the end. Alright. Look at him! Zank, put your feet up! Put your feet up! Woohoo! Yo, Zing, I'm not gonna lie with you. Yo, you got so much better at wheeling, bro. You used to be like this. You used to be like this with your feet down, and now you put it up, and now you're going 1 foot all the way. You actually got so much better.
That felt good. I was tapping the brake. I was going down and then I went up.
Yeah, like that. That's how you're supposed to wheelie.
Dude, there's no way, bro.
I want to try wheelie.
Wait, that could be a cop on there.
That's not a. Oh shit, that's a cop.
Some cops are going on
That-
with these
Yeah, no, that's not a cop. That's not a cop.
tires. Looks like it. Look at the tires.
Zing run, zing run, zing run, zing run, zing.
I don't think so. Maybe some cars are like that.
No, it's not a cop. I saw a random. I saw an innocent dude in there.
And I thought he was making.
Please let me ride it.
Yo, way to go.
Dude, that one didn't even count as riding it at that point.
Oh, let's do another wheel.
Recording. I don't got a bike. So if y'all can help me in the comments, you know, I needed a bike. I don't got one. Even like you see them M3Clay with Zhang and Kevin, they got bikes and I got no bike, so I can't keep up with them. And if you guys give me a bike, you know, it won't be this boring of a video, you know? How badly did bro fall?
You need a key. You fell down,
Yo, chat. Y'all about to go home, bro? You're about to go home. You too. Are you guys going home? Zhang, that's a new Yasma, better than you. He is though. You can't even do a knee knock. Okay? I'm just saying he's better than you. Nah, I'm trolling. You're good. Yeah, I think you're better than him. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye, Billy. Got chicken, all right. Bye, guys. You going home too? Can you stay a little bit? For like me, Kevin, Denzel, and Zhang play? Oh, okay. I'm sorry. Huh? M3Clay. Laying down, son, and I'm recording. I'm posting this on TikTok. Laying down, son. Yo, Amir, look. Laying down, son. Laying down, peaceful, son. I have no enemies, son. Son. Son, yan. Oh yeah, I just realized. Am I even recording? Yo. Hello? Hello? Excuse me. I haven't been talking to y'all, you know? I haven't talked to y'all at all. I'm recording. What's up, chat? Say hi. I'm M3Clay. Frick out of here. I'll be doing wheelies to the street, having M3Clay gloves on, fighting me. Alright, well, guys, this is the end of the vlog. Me and M3Clay's video. I'm M3Clay little brother. This is real M3Clay, guys. And
M3Clay. Pull up, they notice M3Clay. Bike outside, no delay. M3Clay.